Welcome fellow adventurer and dungeon master to a new edition of Character Concept for You, where I create level 1 characters for you to use as either heroes or NPCs. Feel free to change them in any way you like or create your own hero with the build you see before you. My name is Model 42 and today I want to tell you about Shahira, a beautiful and strong human champion with some cool Middle Eastern flavor to her. Before we begin, a hugely important announcement. I have noticed a lot of people are not watching more than 3 to 5 minutes of my videos, so I am going to make them shorter. Already having started 2 videos ago, I will show each of the pages for about 10 to 20 seconds while talking about the concept and then going into the personality, since this for me is the most important aspect. Holding the build together both in pieces of authenticity and entertainment. At the end of the video I flash in all pages of my character sheet sideways without transitions for about 5 seconds each, which should be enough time so you can just stop the video, make an HD screenshot and convert them into any format you like. This way they stay completely free for you at all times. So let's dive right into it, my friends. The Desert Paladin has a maxed class DC based on dexterity, is of average strength, amazingly quick to act, very healthy and fit, normally schooled, quite wise and religious, as well as a stunning beauty with a cold personality as long as you do not know her. Only acrobatics and intimidation stand out among her skills, though there are some decent ones as well. As you might think of this class, her saving throws are really good, with reflexes being exceptional, her perception being decent, with only the most common of languages learned. It seems she does not want to talk all that much. Also having good hit points, a normal speed and even an initiative boost, which is cool. Though able to carry every armor possible, she does not wear armor at all, fearing that it will hinder her graceful movements and ability to dodge, using 3 weapons to defend herself, though she mostly uses the short sword, which is perfect for an agile warrior as her, using the dagger only if needed and the falchion for specific purposes outlined later. With no abilities as a human, she has chosen 2 general feats, one being incredible initiative and the other being canny acumen, making her reflexes better. Because of her background as desert tracker, she is experienced in finding people and monsters in the wastes of sand. As a champion, or paladin as it was once called, she has a code to follow, which means never to perform her anathemas or evil deeds and to help people in need if she can. Also as a liberator, she has to respect other people's choices in life and will demand and fight for other people's freedom. She gains the liberator's step, lay on hands focus spell as well as a focus pool of 1, and because of her deity's destruction domain can also cast the focus spell, Crowd Destruction. Her deity's favorite weapon, Morning Star, is not used by her, since she was trained with and prefers the way of the steeled blade. She has the caster spell and refocus actions for her focus spells, also can use shield block should she find or buy a shield, and has the liberating step, which can help her allies nearby. She has a decent, and right now not important, spell attack roll and a decent spell DC, which is important for she can use her lay on hands not only to heal but also to damage undead, though her crowd devastation is even way more awesome. This deals 1d8 sonic damage in a 15 feet cone, but if she already damaged an enemy this turn, it deals 1d12 instead, increasing by 1 die with each spell level. This is epic and makes her really dangerous in combat. She has a normal carrying capacity, and aside from pretty normal stuff, we bought some decorative temple armor for 2 gold to match the picture better. If you want to level her up authentically, try focusing on increasing her dexterity, constitution and willpower, as well as her saving throws and magical focus capabilities, maybe even considering a fighter or rogue type archetype dedication. Sticking with her as a true paladin is also an option, and focusing on charisma and adding a divine sorcerer can also be a cool way to play her. Right now you can see Shahira's stats and facts on screen, and most is pretty easy to understand, I think. She will keep to her lord's edicts and laws, though will do whatever it takes and cut down everyone in her way if it means freeing and saving people in need, not thinking about her own safety until she fulfilled her goal. She does this to please Melanie the Everbloom, whose edicts contain the punishment for slavers, though she still is trying to find her true purpose, having the hunch that she is meant for more. She does not have much in terms of family anymore and cherishes her friends and future partners of love with all her heart, being ready to give her life for them. Being a positive being in her heart, she truly believes that good will always triumph over evil and that just focusing on the end, doing everything to get there fast is not the right way, which is one of the bases for her strong moral sense of right and wrong, clearly defining for herself if a goal is honorable and good or exploitative and evil. As you can see on screen, she has no qualms in showing off her amazing and gorgeous body and physique, carrying herself and her head high and strong, with a fierce glare that still people's aggression before they break out, though also hides a very soft and romantic side of her that only true friends will ever get to see. The big falchion she carries around is not meant for combat, and she only uses it to behead fallen and surrendered opponents to give them an honorable death, praying to the gods that their bravery in death will redeem their sins in life. Since she has a strong focus on her beliefs, she is also highly fascinated by other religions, philosophies and their edicts and anathemas, trying to understand their connection and how they can serve people all over the world. Thank you for sticking with me to the end, and if you like Shahira or just want to help out, leave a like and subscribe for more content and guides. You can also leave a comment of what you think about her or how you would use this awesome Kelishite warrior lady in your games. Stay safe my friends, and we will see each other somewhere in Galarian. If you are looking for the character sheet pages, here they come.